is how to undo Twitter tweets. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. For the first step, you have to go to your Chrome browser and here you have to search for the twitter.com. Once you are logged into your account, now here you have to click on the profile icon at the top left corner. After that, you have to click on the Twitter Blue option, and once you click on it, now you have to buy the subscription. After buying this Twitter Blue subscription, you will be able to undo your Twitter tweets, and you will also be able to again tweet that exact tweet within the 5 minutes of undo. For the second method, you have to open your tweet and click on the three dots at the top of your tweet and then click on the delete option at the top. Once you click on it, now your Twitter tweet will be deleted. Without Blue verification subscription, you can undo your tweet by this way. So this is how you can undo your Twitter tweets.